Joined now by Mary Kay. She's here with a real-time update on tomorrow's storms. Mary Kay.
We have quite a swing coming our way, and it's all because of Tropical Storm Cristobal, which is now a tropical depression. And yes, it is headed in our direction, but not this evening. This evening is very quiet. I think we're going to hold in the 80s till the sun goes down at 8:25, and then we're going to start dropping into the 70s. You know, it's so hot out there, though. We are at 89 at both airports. That was our high so far, 91 in Joliet. It is 80 degrees, though, in Waukegan. That water temperature is holding at 64 degrees, so a slight onshore breeze is keeping the North Shore in the low 80s and all the way up through Kenosha and Racine County. But then when you start heading to the southwest, like through LaSalle and near Ottawa, that's where we find the heat, the lower 90s. That's the case. So what we expect is a big change coming our way at this time tomorrow. I think tomorrow morning is fine, but you'll notice getting very windy after lunch. And after about 3 o'clock heading into the evening, damaging winds could be a threat for us. We're going to watch for that. Brief spin-ups of tornadoes certainly possible as well. And then also torrential downpours could bring some localized flooding. So tonight we're fine, 70 degrees, but as we plot out time tomorrow, look in the afternoon, rain chance ramps up. I don't think we're going to see much in the way of lightning, but here's the setup. Cristobal, or what's left of it there, is going to meet a front that's out to the west, and the track of Cristobal's remnants really moving over the Quad Cities by the time the evening hours set up tomorrow. So here's the wider picture. You can see it winding its way through the Mississippi River, right along it actually, and then very heavy rain from Waterloo down to Quincy, all the way up into parts of Minnesota. In fact, I think those areas are going to see the heaviest rain from this system as it winds its way through. So a flash flood watch west of us, that's where rain totals could get into the 2, 3, maybe even 4-inch totals. Closer to home, what we're going to see are probably half-inch totals to maybe 3/4 of an inch if it stays on track. Big winds coming our way too. Tomorrow night, winds could be gusty up to 30 and 40 miles per hour, and even into Wednesday as well. A second push of big winds as we get into the late day hours. So what we expect to see is a lot of wind setting up during the late day hours. So again, damaging wind threats are certainly possible. And in the evening, Brad and Jim, that's when I expect to see chances of a brief spin up of a tornado as the system rolls through. Very unusual. We haven't seen this since 2018 with Alberto.